Good night, teacher and classmates. My name is Edison Iván Sánchez Prieto. Today is March 16 of the year 2022. The unit name comprehends intellectual property, and the teacher course is Danilo Cárdenas Erazo. Okay, this is the Ichikawa diagram, and the chosen obstacles is exercise processing time. This diagram is with the 6M method. The first M is measurement. There are errors that are not allowed in the Colombian requirements. Second M is workforce. Not enough time is invented in the investigation, so it is not accepted and reprocess must be made. 2. Low knowledge of the application process. 3M, third M, is machine and does not apply for analysis. Fourth M is materials. There is no technology-intensive consultation regarding the new invention. And 2, there is no investigation about the requirement demanded by Colombian entities. The fifth M is method. In Colombian, the substance examination or patentability can last up to 3 months, and 2, it is required to fulfill quite a few items. And 6 M is medium. The laws in Colombia to patent require several processes, unlike other countries. For example, China. Lack of participation in educational institutions is research and development projects. Lack of trained the people. Recommendation: streamlining the registration of intellectual property is a great benefit for the company, since if it become an economic income, it would also be an intangible asset. And 2, have context of the requirement that must be made to patent. This is achieved by doing good scientific and technological research about what you want to register. Thank you.